What if the next trillion-dollar economic frontier isn't in AI or crypto, but in orbit, on the moon, and beyond? While most investors focus on earthbound markets, a quiet revolution is unfolding 100 kilometers above our heads. The space economy, once the exclusive domain of governments and billionaires, is rapidly opening to entrepreneurs, developers, and even retail investors. And by 2026, it's not science fiction. It's a real, investable, and increasingly accessible ecosystem. The space economy isn't just about rockets. It's a layered value chain, launch services that drastically cut access costs, satellite infrastructure for broadband, Earth observation, and navigation. In-space manufacturing, where microgravity enables pure fiber optics and advanced pharmaceuticals. Lunar logistics, as NASA's Artemis program and private firms prepare for sustained presence. And yes, asteroid mining and space-based solar power, still early, but backed by serious capital. But you don't need to build a rocket to profit. The real opportunities lie in enabling layers. Consider satellite data analytics. Companies use AI to interpret orbital imagery for hedge funds tracking oil reserves. Or space cybersecurity. As constellations grow, so do attack surfaces. Specialists who secure satellite comms are in high demand. Even space law and compliance is emerging as a niche legal field, advising on orbital slots and debris mitigation. For investors, access is expanding. Publicly traded space ETFs offer diversified exposure. Private equity platforms let accredited investors back early-stage ventures. And through crowdfunding portals, you can now buy equity in space startups building propulsion systems or lunar rovers. Developers aren't left out. As satellite networks expand, APIs for real-time Earth data and telemetry are becoming available. Imagine building an app that alerts farmers to soil moisture changes using satellite feeds. Or a logistics tool that optimizes shipping routes based on real-time atmospheric drag data. Perhaps most surprisingly, digital infrastructure is critical. Blockchain projects are testing decentralized wireless networks. AI models trained on space mission data are optimizing fuel use and predicting component failures. Governments are accelerating this shift. The U.S. CHIPS Act, EU's IRIS Superscript 2 program, and UAE's Mars plans all include commercial incentives. Meanwhile, the Artemis Accords establish frameworks for peaceful lunar cooperation, creating legal clarity. Risks remain, high capital intensity and regulatory uncertainty. But Morgan Stanley estimates the space economy could reach $1+ trillion by 2040. Unlike past cycles, today's growth is driven by reusable tech, private capital, and real revenue. You don't need to be an astronaut. Whether you're an engineer, investor, lawyer, or data scientist, there's a role for you. The age of space isn't coming. It's already here, and it's hiring. If you're ready to explore the final economic frontier, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 100x Wealth. See you in orbit.